Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and we're back with Remember Prompt 10, which is Altered Pocket and Texture Fragments. Yeah, so it's coming along, it's filling up quite nicely. Yeah, so an altered pocket, this is what I have. It's been cut from some old jeans, and yeah, let's alter it and add some fragments. I don't need that for the moment. So I have this piece of, I think, I can't quite remember, but I've been using bits of this for a number of years. I think it might have been part of an old blouse. I thought it sat quite nicely there. And I also have this snippet roll fabric, kind of pleated. A part of that. I've got a roll of that, so I cut this bit off because I thought the navy blue with the spots kind of went quite well with the blue denim. This is going to be really easy, this one. So what else could we put on it that adds texture? I thought of my little wooden birds, which with this here I thought maybe the birds could sit, and it's almost like it's birds sitting on a wire kind of thing. So we'll put two there and one over there. Maybe something like that, I think. And maybe add a few more bits and bobs. I've got one of these Tim Holtz metal discs, so we're adding kind of lace, fabric, wood and metal, so I'm hoping that's enough texture. This says, hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul, and when I found it I thought that's the very one with the feathers and the perching, and I thought we could maybe dangle that somewhere from the lace using a bit of twine through the hole and through the lace, and maybe tie a little bow or something. So there's that. And I also have one of these little labels, which I got in the local kind of haberdashery shop, a little packet of these, and it says my best work yet, and I thought we would just pin that on somewhere. Yeah. So that's going to be it. Really straightforward, easy, and yeah, so just a bit of gluing to be done. So I've fallen, I think, 2 days behind now because this is my birthday week and we were out yesterday having a little bit of a celebration, a little bit of lunch out, and it was lovely. We went to a place called the Brunch Club, which is one of our favourite places, and we had lunch, or brunch. It's in an area of Glasgow called Finnieston. It's near the West End. So it's actually opposite Kelvin Grove Art Gallery, if there's ever any visitors coming, and Kelvin Grove is definitely one of the places, the big museum and art gallery, that visitors always like to go to. So if you're near there, you could certainly take yourself off. It's across the road and then up a side street. You'll find it easy. It's at the corner, and I can highly recommend. It's usually got quite a few tourists. In fact, there was a couple said hello to Millie when we were there. So that was nice. I think sometimes visitors are quite surprised that there's so many places let the dogs in. It doesn't seem to be a thing, especially in a lot of places overseas. I'm not sure which countries are more likely to let their pups in, or I don't know, but Now, I want to just put this on here before that takes hold. So I had the fish tacos and hubby had a chicken Caesar wrap, which he said was delicious. I've never tried one of them there before. So we're just going to go through that little bit of lace there and just tie this off. Yeah, that works okay. Just tie a wee bow, I think, see how it looks, or if we can just tie a knot if the bow doesn't sit properly. So yeah, so we went there and then we left there and came back to our own neighbourhood because there's plenty nice coffee shops and things. And here, where we are now. Okay, so that's really annoying. The camera went off. I don't know why it's doing that just now, but apologies. So I continued on, not realising that it had gone off. And so yeah, I think I was just in the middle of putting this on. So I put this on and then I added my little basework yet there with a little safety pin and glued everything down. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory. And then I wrote out the journal card for today, which is a picture of the pineapple and ginger tea that I got in Natalia, the Korean cafe, and I just wrote a few words about the pineapple and ginger tea. And stamped a little love down there, and this is just on the journaling card I covered with blue stamps. So yeah, short and sweet today. I'm going to have to look into why the camera on the phone, because I just film on my iPhone. I'll need to look into why it keeps shutting itself off. It's really quite annoying. Yeah, so anyway, these things are sent to try us. And yeah, so that's my pocket for number 10. Number 10, I stamped 10 up here as well. I'm not sure that it shows up all that well, but it's there now. Okay, so thanks for joining me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.